In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Aerofly FS4 Flight Simulator on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and once you have done that, open your Google browser. So here we are locating the game on Steam first before we can proceed downloading it on a other website. So go to Steam, after that search for the game, Aerofly FS4 Flight Simulator, and once you have done that, this game will open. As you can see, it is quite an expensive game. It is €59.99, but I got a workaround. Open the video description, there will be a link which says find the game here. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this site. Now we are searching for the same game, Aerofly FS4 Flight Simulator. Select games on the left side. After that, scroll a little bit down and sort by price lowest first. As you can see, this game is only €27, and it is the same game. You can activate it on Steam. Once you bought this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps you need to know to activate this game in Steam. So basically the same game, but much cheaper. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games on Steam. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!